Alright, welcome back to Risk of Rain 2. It is currently 3:32 p.m. So I figured I might as well record a Risk of Rain video for my 3 p.m. Risk of Rain. Let's see. Let's do a Huntress run. Huntress, all of these should be fine. Monsoon, and let's go. Distant Roost, an absolute classic of a stage. Let's see. What am I looking for? Usually crit for the 6 attacks, or for the 6 burst. Crit is the only thing that I can think of right now. Movement should be fine. It's Huntress. That's like the best thing she's at. The thing she's best at. How do I blink? That's blink. Okay. I'm still trying to remember all my buttons. Huntress is a huge blast cannon, so I might actually get that healing drone. Die. Ooh, that's pretty good. Can be pretty good. Just... yeah, with Huntress, I'm gonna want to be moving really quickly. Until, like, until I'm in a good place. Come here. I don't like that you two are on fire. And to see you, thank you. Oh. Okay, Crowbar is once again really good for Huntress. Also, just a really good item in general. I'm not gonna hit that. Like I said last time, I have a shit ton of cheated in coins, and I don't want to ruin the integrity of the game. Because I very well could just go to the bazaar and like get the alcoholism combo, you know? You know the one. If you play this game, you know the one. This should be good. Die. Ooh, save for spaces. I would gladly take that. I had this last run. Or I had this in my loader run. Okay. I have a good amount of items. I could very well just go hit the teleporter right now. But I am greedy and I want more. I don't think there's anything up here actually, so I might just head over. Yeah, I'll just head over. I've got enough items. I've got enough really good items. Get this, and let's go. Look at this turn too. I can't afford the turn. Never mind. Wandering Vagrant, not too bad. These little guys are bad. Ooh. Nope. Screw you. Don't attack my turret. I need to be like on top of this rock for when it doesn't get shocky shot. Yeah, that. So that we can just hide. Let me up. Yeah. Perfect. Not too shabby. Bandolier is also kind of good, I guess, for the blinks and her boomerang or whatever it is. Alright, let's get to the next area. I actually have a pretty good start here, so I'm not that worried. Alright. Wetlands, I'm not the biggest fan of, just because brass contraptions can spawn here, and that is really dangerous. I mean, I got mobility to avoid them, but they're still super dangerous. Teleporter is over there. It's good to know. I'm hearing things. What is it? Backup mag printer. Good. Decent. Ooh, this is actually super good for me. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, game. Another damage chest. Lead. Backup mag. Do I really want to... there's... The only thing I'm okay with getting rid of are my sticky grenades, but even then, I think those are a little bit better than the backup mag. Oh, not really. Backup mag is very good. Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Die. Thank you. Ooh, that'll go good with my Voidsent Flame. Voidsent Flame is 90% health. They get hit with the thing. Right? Yeah. I think. Voidsent Flame, full health enemies detonate on hit, yes. If you have like the... If you have the gasoline. Gasoline is basically a not as good Will-O-The-Wisp, but I mean, it's basically Will-O-Wisp. Teleporter is over there. Where are all the enemies? Jeez. There's you wanna die? You don't have a choice. There's a beetle. There is a single beetle. Someone just spawned. Where are all the enemies? There's nothing here besides a few jellies and beetles. Fireworks could be good. I guess fireworks. There we go. Some decent enemies worth my time. Oh, I forgot I had Jar. Or is that Reynolds? Might be Reynolds. It's Reynolds. I said this last video too, I don't know if Mary double too well. Run. Die. You... Okay. Let's see. Money's always good. Gimme. More bleed. Almost at a full stack. Not really. 7 more. That is nowhere near almost. It's not even half. What am I talking about? What's happening? What's going on in my brain? You. Fungus. Fungus would be good only if I got a Wungus, so I'm not gonna bother. I'm not gonna bother risking my good items. Don't shoot him towards me. Alright, you've got a death wish. Ooh, Soul Bleed. Come here. Come here. Alright then. Okay, that's there. Make a quick little trip over here and then we'll hit the teleporter. You're done. Very uneventful stage. Did I get the... No, I didn't. I don't think I got the healing rate. Let's go. Faster. Speed. What the hell is pushing you towards me? I'm not gonna risk it. I can't risk the backup mag. Or I can't risk my crowbar and my bleed. I'm... Okay. Oh, that's really good. I'm glad I went back. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, it didn't matter anyway. That was really quick. What the hell? Why was that so fast? What? That was weirdly fast. I don't know. Yeah, Void Sent Flame is putting in work. Let's see. Oh, it was probably the Saw Blades. That makes sense. Now that I think about it. Or, you know what? I don't care. I don't know. I don't care. It was fast. I did it. I won. We're good. Later, nerds. Sprint? It's good, but again, I don't think it's worth getting rid of. Oh, well. Maybe Fireworks. Fireworks is the only thing I can see myself getting rid of. But even then, like, Fireworks do put in a decent amount of work, so... Who knows? Definitely gonna get the armor plate, whatever it's called. Die. Anything else? You. I missed. I am amazing at this game. Just die. Let's get this. Okay, well, I need a scrapper because that's not the best. Whoa, fire guy. Die. Or not, that's cool. Get this up here, this. Okay, more fireworks. A sign that I should not get rid of them. I didn't even notice it's just was here, wow. And even more fireworks. Alright, let's get away. Oh, portal right there. Not too shabby. Ouch. Yeah, I can get rid of you. I think that's it. I'm gonna keep the sticky grenades because it feels like a lot of damage is coming from them. I don't know why, but like I keep hearing the little ticks from them, and to me at least, it's like they're doing good. They're doing okay. Might as well keep them. Get this. Get this. Guillotine's super good. No say no to a guillotine. I might get rid of with the brooch. Turtle. I'll get the turtle. I could hit the teleporter right now. Would that be smart? It might be smart. I'll hit it at like 18 minutes. I know where it is. 18 minutes give me 2 minutes to explore this whole place. Yeah, that's not too bad. Big chest. Ooh. Okay. Fine. There. Happy? You were born to die immediately. That is probably the most useless sprinter I have ever seen. And there it is again. Okay, well, I need... What gives me that? Heartlight Afterburner? Yeah, I need more lanes. I need Heartlight Afterburner. Heartlight Afterburner is stupidly rare. I get that it's supposed to be. Like, it's a red item. I get that it's supposed to be rare, but like, even then, it is probably the red item that I have seen the least of. I don't know if that's only me, but like, I just don't get a lot of Heartlight Afterburners. Which is sad, because it's like the best one. Is it the best one? Rejuvac. Aegis could also be good. I guess it depends on who you're playing, but like Hard Light Afterburner is just always good. Whoop. Thank you. Sprinting. Was it worth coming up here? No. No, it wasn't. Wow. All that for extra sprint? I mean, that's good, but it's not that good. Ow. Alright, let's kill some things. Okay. I need some form of healing. Trying to sneak up on me? Yeah, that's what I thought. Do I have... I do. Okay, good. Hey, Pidgeotto. Don't touch me. Let's go. Whee. And we are in hell. How much are these? 241. Oh, lots of chests over here. Wow, okay. Kill. Oh, there's a sacrifice. Not a sacrifice, kill things. Kill things shrine. That's what it is. Oh, there's so many of them. There's way more than I thought there was gonna be. Oh my god. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Throw one of those. It's actually really good money. Okay. All the danger was worth it. Die. Ow. Kill. Dumbass. Oh my god, a brain socks? Okay then, oh, yeah. Free brain socks, sure. Out of a normal chest too? Wow, jeez, okay. Maybe my luck is turning around. Not that it was bad to begin with, but hey, I ain't complaining. Hi, friends. Ooh, that doesn't look good. But oh, there's a Void Reaper too. Oh, this is very much is not good. Oh, I need to deal with the Void Reaper first. Oh, I forgot I have unlimited cooldowns because of brain socks. Yeah, you are also not fun to deal. I have collapse. I'm dead. I'm not dead. Collapse is terrifying. Please don't ever do that to me again. What else is in there? Get him. Sick him. What else is in here? Y'all don't count. You. Get out of there. Run for safe. Oh, whoa. No, thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I even used my elixir. Okay then. Okay then. I guess that's it for this video. Wow, that's such a terrible way to end it. Damn. Ugh, fine. I guess it's over. I'll see you all next time.